Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. I want to show you something. I want to show you something terrible, something awful. I want to show you something shocking. Have a look at this. What is wrong with this sign? The answer? It should be children apostrophe S. Children is the plural of child. One child, two children. This is the children's play area. Children apostrophe S play area. I've driven past this sign almost every day for the last 5 years. The sign drives me crazy because grammar is so important. So, if you're writing that something belongs to the children, it's children apostrophe S. The children's play area, not children's apostrophe. It's children apostrophe S. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.